What's up guys, Tarvin here from KLGadgetTV, and today we are at the launch of the Nokia 1 and the Nokia 7 Plus, which I have right here in my hand. So guys, with that, let's take a look at what this phone has to offer. So guys, straight out the bat I can tell you that this phone looks and feels really nice, and similar to the other Nokia phones out there, this Nokia phone is also built out of a solid block of aluminium. So you get this nice solid feel from the block of aluminium. And of course, on the back, Nokia said that there is 6 layers of paint, giving it this ceramic-like feel, which honestly looks and feels also really nice. So the Nokia 7 Plus is a mid-range phone, as it comes with a Snapdragon 660 processor, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of expandable storage. Now, for a mid-range phone, I think the specs are pretty decent and pretty good. Other than that, it also comes with an Android 8.1 out of the box. Now, Nokia has said that the Android experience is going to be a pure Android experience, and so with that, Nokia is able to give you monthly updates and security patches as soon as it comes out. So for those of you that are looking for security and want the latest Android updates, then the Nokia phone is definitely something that you should look at. The phone comes with a 6-inch Full HD Plus display, and Nokia has finally adopted the 18:9 aspect ratio. So what you're getting here is actually a 5.5-inch phone that comes with a 6-inch screen. So that's nice for those of you that do a lot of reading on your phone. You're definitely going to get a lot of space, a lot more content on your phone at a glance. So Nokia has yet again teamed up with Carl Zeiss to bring the camera onto this phone. And on the back, you'll be finding a 12 and 13 megapixel camera, which performs pretty well. We have taken a few pictures with the phone, and as you can see for yourself, it doesn't look too bad. For a mid-range phone, I think the camera performs pretty decent. Of course, you can't compare it to the higher end phones, but for a mid-range phone, I think this camera is pretty decent on its own. So for those of you that need to satisfy your selfie needs, there is a 16 megapixel camera on the front. And as you can see for yourself, I honestly think that the 60 megapixel camera takes very nice details, and the colors are also pretty nice. So for a mid-range phone, again, as I mentioned before, the cameras on this phone is pretty solid. Now, of course, there is a beautifying effect, which most of you know that I'm not a fan of, but for those of you that want it, it's definitely still there. So for those of you that like to take a lot of pictures and like to play around with the manual mode on the phone, you'll be happy to know that Nokia has brought back the Camera Pro software. So that gives you a lot of settings, as you can see for yourself, a lot of manual settings for you to play around to get that perfect picture that you are looking for. So remember the Boti feature that you've seen in the Nokia 8? Well, the Nokia 7 Plus also has that feature. So for those of you that do a lot of live streaming and you want not only yourself but probably the person that you are with into the live stream, then this is a very good feature for you. Or if you just want to take a normal picture with your friends and you don't want to reposition yourself, you just activate the Boti mode. It will activate the front selfie camera and the back cameras, and you can take a nice picture like that. So again, similar to the Nokia 8, the Nokia 7 also has the 360 spatial audio recording. So what that means is that basically it records audio in a 360 radius around the phone. So this is very nice for those of you that do a lot of home videos, or those of you that want to delve into movie production. So this is definitely a good place for you to start off, as it supports 4K recording as well. So guys, there you have it. That is the Nokia 7 Plus. Now for those of you who are interested in picking up this phone will become available on the 20th of April with a price tag of 1,699 ringgits. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you do give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you're not, as we take out videos like this every week. And of course, I will see you in the next video.